Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best fountain pen set refillable cartridge on the market right now. The Bagentry 20PC's Refillable Universal Fountain Pen Ink Converter. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a fountain pen enthusiast, this compact and cost-effective set could be the ink-saving solution you've been looking for. Let's start with what this product actually is. The Bagentry Ink Converter is a screw-in style cartridge that fits most international standard fountain pens with a 2.6mm caliber. That means it's a universal fit for the majority of non-proprietary pens out there. Instead of constantly buying disposable ink cartridges, this set gives you 20 refillable converters, allowing you to use bottled ink, saving money and reducing waste over time. Each converter is designed with a screw-in piston mechanism. You insert it into your pen like a regular cartridge, dip the nib into ink, and twist the piston to draw the ink up into the chamber. This classic method is loved by many fountain pen users for its reliability and control, and Bagentry nails it here with smooth operation and strong suction power. It gives you the flexibility to switch between inks with ease, perfect for those who love experimenting with different colors or brands. Now, what really sets this apart from many other converters is how easy it is to clean. The product has a simple design that allows you to flush it out just by filling and emptying it with water multiple times. No complex disassembly or special tools required. And with 20 pieces included, you don't need to clean after every single use. You can rotate between them if you prefer. Build quality matters, and this set holds up well. While it's not made from heavy-duty metal components, the plastic is sturdy, the piston mechanism is well fitted, and the seal between the converter and the pen is snug. That's essential if you want to avoid leaks, especially when traveling or carrying your pen daily. In terms of compatibility, Bagentry lists this converter as suitable for most pens that support international standard cartridges. This includes many popular brands like Jinhao, Bauer, Duke, and even some of the more affordable European models. However, always double-check your pen specifications to ensure compatibility, as some premium brands like Lamy, Parker, or Pilot use proprietary systems. Let's talk value. For the price of just a few disposable cartridges, you're getting a full set of 20 reusable converters. That's excellent for bulk buyers, teachers, or anyone who owns multiple fountain pens. It's also a thoughtful option for gifting to fellow stationery lovers or fountain pen beginners who are just building their toolkit. In practice, using these converters feels intuitive. The twist mechanism is neither too stiff nor too loose, and once filled, they hold a decent volume of ink, enough for extended writing sessions. There's no rattling, no messy dripping, and no unpredictable behavior. It just works, and that's exactly what you want from something this essential. To wrap up, the Bagentry 20PC's Refillable Universal Fountain Pen Ink Converter set is a practical, affordable, and eco-friendly solution for anyone who wants to switch from disposable cartridges to bottled ink. It works across a wide range of pens, cleans up easily, and delivers reliable ink flow every time. If you're tired of spending extra money on cartridges or want more ink variety without buying a new pen, this might just be the upgrade your fountain pen setup needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. See you next time.